Let us see the questions regarding ecology and environment. Now, as I said earlier, go through the videos very well. You can answer each and every question. I am repeating the same thing again and again. Now, let us come to the questions. See the first question. Which of the following are the reasons for declining coral reefs around India, it seems? Now, what are the reasons? Can you get the answer? First one, rise in sea temperature. Yes, perfectly right. Ocean acidification. Yes, perfectly right. Overfishing. Yes, perfectly right. Pollution from the land. Yes, perfectly right. All these are the reasons for the declining coral reefs. We have discussed the exact video regarding coral reefs. Go through that. Now your answer is all of the above. Done. Focus on the things. Now, next one. Consider the following statements regarding Wetlands International. Now choose the correct answer using the codes given below, it seems. Now, what are the correct options? It is one of the party in implementation of Ramsar conventions. Yes, perfectly right. It is a intergovernmental body which strives to protect wetlands and preserve their richness. Now, is it correct? No, your second statement is perfectly wrong. Now, why it is wrong? Wetlands International is a global, not for profit organization. It's not an intergovernmental body, right? It's an non profit organization. Non profit organization. Got the point perfectly? Yes. Now, third one. Wetlands International work ranges from research and community based field projects to advocacy and engagement with governments, corporates, and international conventions. Governments and international conventions. Now, your third statement is perfectly right. So, your answer is 1 and 3 only. Right? Focus on things we have discussed in detail regarding this Ramsar conventions, Montreal records, right? In detail in ecology videos. Go through that videos carefully. Next one. Consider the following statements. Now you are asked to find out the correct statements. Right? Now what are the correct statements? Biome is large ecological area on Earth's surface in which flora and fauna adopt themselves in a particular way in given environment. The exact definition is given there, perfectly right. Cold desert, savanna grasslands, hot desert are some examples of terrestrial biomes. Yes, perfectly right. Now both are exactly right. Right. Now, let us move on to the next one. With reference to wetlands, consider the following statements and you are asked to find out the correct one. The Convention on Wetlands, signed in Ramsar, Iran in 1971, is an intergovernmental treaty which provides the framework for national cooperation for conservation and wise use of wetlands and their resources. Yes, perfectly right. It's a non-profit organization, but it's an intergovernmental treaty. Observe the difference between the previous question and this. Then you can get a clarity. It is treaty here. 2nd Feb of each year is observed as World Wetlands Day. Yes, perfectly right. Now, Indo-Gangetic wetlands are the largest wetlands, extending from the river Indus in the west to Brahmaputra in the east. Yes, perfectly right. Yes. Your third statement is also perfectly right. Now your options are all the above. Ecological efficiency of an ecosystem refers to, direct definitions are given there, percentage of energy transferred from one trophic level to another level. This is the exact definition of ecological efficiency. Now this is what you will be explained with Lindman's law, right? Or you call it as 10% law. Now which is based on your law of thermodynamics. Already we have discussed all these questions in detail. Done. So your answer is A. Next one. Which portion of the Constitution has components of environmental conservation in explicitly? Now select the correct answer codes, it seems. Now your preamble, no. Preamble, no. Your fundamental rights, no. Your directive principles of state policy, yes, it was explicitly given there. Your fundamental duties, yes. So your answer is 3 and 4 perfectly right. Now consider the following statements regarding mangroves and you have to answer the correct statements, right? Now what are the statements given there? Mangroves have capacity to tolerate excessive salt content and regular waterlogging conditions. Now this is the exact advantage of mangroves. They live in salinity conditions, the first point that I discussed in the video. Mangrove forests stabilize the coastline, reduce erosion from storms, waves, tides. Yes, that is why mangroves are called tsunami breakers. Tsunami breakers, right? Got the point? Yes. Now Sundari tree is an example of mangroves. Yes, all the three statements are perfectly right. So your answer is D. Which of the following species are found in mangroves, it seems, right? Now select the correct codes. Now which of the following trees? Your mud skippers, yes. Your green turtle, no. Your Sundarban tigers, yes. Your salt water crocodiles, yes. These three. So your option is 1, 3, 4, right? Now next one. With reference to ecosystems, consider the following statements. Now you are asked to find out which of the above statements are correct. Organisms at higher trophic level receive energy from more than one trophic level. Yes, perfectly right. Energy tends to decrease at higher trophic levels. Yes, this is what we have discussed, the Lindman's law or 10% law. So your answer is both 1 and 2. Next one. Consider the following scenarios and the resultant pyramid of numbers would be. You have to go with exact definitions of energy of pyramids, right? Now what will be your answer, right? Observe the questions there. Trees at trophic level 1 as primary producers, okay. Parasites at trophic level 2 as primary consumers. Hyperparasites at trophic level 3 as secondary consumers. Now see here, this is nothing but your parasitic food chain or deleterious food chain. Now your parasitic or deleterious food chain will be in the form of inverted food chain, right? Inverted pyramid, am I right or wrong? That is what we have discussed there, right, in the first video. Now your answer is nothing but what? Inverted, right? See, this is a previous question, right? Focus on this. Next one. Ecotone is best defined as, exact definition, the most extensive ecosystem unit which is convenient to designate, no. The vegetation community developed at last stage of biotic succession, no. transition area between two biomes. Yes, C is perfect. So ecotone is also known as zone of tension. Go through the videos, you can answer this question very easily. Done. Now next one. With reference to Earth overshoot day, consider the following statements and answer the correct statements, it seems. Right, now what are the correct statements? It is an illustrative date observed every year on which the consumption of Earth's resources for the year exceeds the Earth's capacity to regenerate those resources. This is the point that I have discussed in the video, right? Your first statement is perfectly right. It is also known as ecological debt day. Yes, perfectly right. In the year 2017, it was observed on August 2nd. Yes, perfectly right. So all these statements are perfectly right. Consider the following statements regarding ecological niche. Now, what are the correct statements? Ecological niche is a description of all the biological, physical and chemical factors that a species needs to survive, stay healthy and reproduce. Perfectly correct, right? First statement is exact definition, right? Now, two species may or may not have exact identical niche. No, wrong, right? So second statement is wrong. It plays an important role in conservation of organisms. Yes, perfectly right. Right, now see here, two species can't occupy the same niche, right? Because competition in between organisms that are struggling to survive in a habitat with limited sources. Now see here, may or may not. Now this point is wrong. They will not have exact identical niche, right? So your second statement is wrong. So your answer is 1 and 3 only. Done. Focus on the questions, right? 40. Next one. Greek word oikos means. Simple straight question. Habitation is nothing but oikos. I have discussed this also. Next one. Consider the following statements regarding food web. Now you are asked to find out the correct statements. Now what are the correct statements? A food web illustrates all possible transfer of energy and nutrients among the organisms in an ecosystem. Perfectly right. The presence of complex food webs increases the stability of the ecosystem. Yes, perfectly right. Now these are the exact statements which illustrates the definition of food web. So both 1 and 2 are perfectly right. Right, now next one. Inverted ecological pyramids based on numbers of a species is found in, now which one? Parasitic food chain, right? Focus on the things, right? Basic, I have discussed in detail regarding this. Consider the following statements regarding coral reefs and answer the correct questions, right? Correct statements. Coral reefs are diverse underwater ecosystems held together by calcium carbonate structures secreted by corals. Yes, perfectly right. These are found around the world in tropical and subtropical oceans. Yes, perfectly right. Coral reefs are built from story corals, which in turn consist of polyps that cluster in groups. Yes, perfectly right. The exact definitions. I have discussed this in the video. So your answer is all the 3 statements are perfectly right. Straight question. How much forest percentage is good for ecological balance, it seems? Now this is what we discussed. 33%. 1/3 of the area must be forest in order to have ecological good balance. General question, right? Now next one. In lake ecosystem, pyramid of biomass is it upright or inverted? It is inverted. Now what happens in lake ecosystem, right? See here, your producers will be of less biomass, and the next trophic level will be higher biomass, and the large will be much more higher biomass. This is what we discussed in lake ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass will be inverted. Go through the videos, you can answer this question very easily, right? Next one, which one of the following is a top carnivore of grassland food chain? It seems now in a grassland food chain, which will be the top carnivore? Observe the options. See here, vulture will be the top carnivore, right? Tertiary carnivore. Not snake, deer, frog, all these can be eaten by vulture. Consider the following statements regarding productivity. Now see here, this is very important. You can expect a questions, right, from productivity. Now which of the following statements are correct? It seems primary productivity of ecosystem is the rate at which plants and other photosynthetic organisms produce organic compounds. The exact definition was given there. First one is correct. Secondary productivity is the rate at which energy is stored at different levels in consumers. Exact definition was given here. So both your statements are correct. So your answer is C. Right, we have discussed this extensively and exhaustively in the videos. Done. Now, which of the following is natural cleaners? It seems. Now, what? Your organic matter, dead decomposed matter, will be break down by decomposers. Now these are natural cleaners. Straight question. The succession as a result of changes in communities in the ecosystem is called, basic definition, the succession as a result in changes in communities in the ecosystem is called biotic succession. Right? Yes, perfect statement. Pyramid of energy in a pond ecosystem will always be upright. Pyramid of energy, right, will always be upright. Higher energy will be there, and low and energy will be decreasing by going down, by going up the trophic levels, right? So see, observe the videos, right? You can answer this very easily. Thank you.